Hello, everyone, and welcome to our first day of our new story. We are on week 4 of Unit 3. We are going to be talking about our spelling words for Eye of the Storm. And let's go ahead and jump right in, ladies and gentlemen. So follow along with me. Our spelling words for this week are going to be destruction, describe, construct, scribble, inscription, scribe, manuscript, structure, instruction, and finally, description. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Can you guess by any chance what you think we're going to be talking about this week? I bet you can't. All right, let's see what you think. Oh, did you think we would be talking about Latin roots? Well, we are. Guess what? Once again, we're going to throw in 3 new roots to talk about: struct, scribe, and script. All right, so let's take a look. Let's refresh ourselves that the Latin root is a word part that carries the basic meaning, and it comes from our Latin language. Then the Latin roots that we will study this week are struct, scribe, and script. We're also going to look for different prefixes and different suffixes as we decode our words, and we're going to break them apart to learn their meaning. That's always important. Not just learning how to spell them, increasing our vocabulary is always important to make sure that we become better at reading and learning our words as well. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to first decode and look at our first root, which is going to be struct. And so I'm going to take one of our bigger words because it has the most parts, and I'm going to show you how I broke it apart and what I was looking for so that you'll kind of see how I pieced it together, so I kind of came up with the meaning. That's always important to look at a word that you don't know. How can you break it apart? Kind of like a puzzle. What pieces does it have? What do you know about the word? Kind of dissecting it a little bit. All right. So our word for the first one is destruction. Okay. So look for that root in there. That root is struct. Okay. Remember we said that was our root. And the meaning of struct, okay, to learn this meaning, keep it in our file folder up here in our brain, is the bringing down of something that is built. Okay. Now, over here I included that there's also a prefix. Now, I'm going to throw this one out there. It may be a review, maybe something new. The prefix D, okay, which means from or down. All right. Then I'm also going to piece together the end of the word. All right. Shun. All right. Destruction. Okay. And it shows the action of destruction, and it's going to change the noun into a verb. Okay, so 3 parts there. It's kind of a lot: the prefix, the root word, and then the suffix. Nothing that you cannot handle, though, because you guys are so smart. So if we combine all of these parts, I can say to myself, well, I think destruction is the bringing down of something that was built. Okay. So that one was our most complicated, but I think you got the hang of it. I have all the confidence in the world. So let's go on to our next one. Okay, our next word, constructs. Okay, again, we found our root. It was just struct. We know it means to build. Our meaning then is to make by putting parts together. If you construct something, you are building it, you're putting it together. I construct a building. All right. Very good. Let's take a look at our next one, structure. Okay. You see the common core, the common piece that they have? Again, our root is struct. Same meaning still, to build. And so I can put and say, okay, well, I know what this means. The same meaning is something that is constructed as in a building. All right. A structure is something that is constructed. Sorry about that. If you have a building, you know, it was a structure. It's been built. All right. So those are our first few words. There's one more with struct, but that's okay. I will throw that in tomorrow with day 2. You've done a great job. Kind of go back and review that, get it pulled in here, and we'll come back tomorrow with a couple more words for you. Great job. I will see you again tomorrow. Don't forget to study. Bye-bye for now.